Hello there. So you want to know how you can simply go ahead and use KAYAK Assistant. This is going to be the only video that you'll ever need to watch on the internet. So with that being said, let's get straight into the video. So KAYAK has recently announced this AI mode, which is an assistant. Now all you need to do in order for you to go ahead and search for things like, for example, LA mansion for less than 2K a day. So if I just go ahead and search like that, as you can see, it's going to try to get me all the mansions or hotels that I can go ahead and book. So for example, let's say October 28 to 31, you can simply go ahead and select those days and it's going to go ahead and find a travel deal. So as you can see, it's going to go ahead and search for all these LA mansions. As you can see up over here, it's already searching for it. That is simply how you can go ahead and search for it. You could also go ahead and search it with cars. So for example, SUVs under $50 a day. For example, you could also search for flights under XYZ, just prices and places, and they'll just go ahead and show it to you. So that is about it. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.